What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. Got a mid-October lot walk. Normally we do it monthly, but we're trying to do it twice a month. We only got 13 units in. The last one we had over 20, but we sold a bunch of cars. We're going to go over each and every car that we got here today. Prices, everything. We got some Impalas, we got some Mustangs over there. Got a cool Shelby over there. Guys, if you like classic cars, please hit the subscribe button. Subscribe today so you can see all of these cars as we buy them, as we sell them. Watch me, the classic car buyer, go out and chase classic cars. Hit the subscribe button, guys. All right, guys, we're going to start. We'll start over here. Let's go straight to this. We got a newer Corvette here. This is a 2007 Corvette, 6-speed manual with around 70,000 miles on it. Asking $19,500 for this puppy. Beautiful wheels, clean Carfax, ready to go. LS2, clean inside. So a client of mine, elderly guys, has been elderly owned, taken care of, hasn't been all beat up. Next, we got the 67 Camaro. Just had a detailer left the key on. So we're charging the battery right now. This is a beautiful color. It's a 350 under the hood with a 4-speed Muncie. Interior's in good shape. Undercarriage was restored around 20 years ago. It was completely done. Nice car, 4-speed, like I said, with the 350. Asking $39,999. OBO. Moving on, 67 Mustang. We actually have two 67 Mustangs. First one is a one owner named Jelly Bean. Lady bought it brand new. She was a nurse. Got all the original paperwork on it. She passed away, unfortunately. Family sold it to us. 289, non-power steering, non-power brakes. Manual brakes, manual steering. Automatic transmission, around 40,000 original miles on it. 25,000 buys this one. And then we have a big block Mustang 67 Coupe. That's got a 390 4-speed manual steering, manual brakes. It's got the vinyl top. 33,500 buys this one. Big block car. These are getting harder and harder to buy, guys. If you're a Mustang person, you know about these S codes. Moving on, Chevelle 67, 4-speed 350 under the hood. Originally a 6-cylinder car, but it looks good, it runs good, it drives good. We're asking $28,500 on this. It's got Kragers, Cooper tires. Nice 4-speed with the Hertz shifter. Pretty looking car. Then we got a 64 Chevelle Malibu SS convertible. Got this one listed for $26,500. It's got a small block V8 under the hood. Automatic. Nice looking car. Moving on, TR6 74. This has got new engine in it, less than 100 miles on it. Runs and drives phenomenal. It looks good, it's clean. About 60,000 miles on the odometer. Asking $20,000 on this. It's got a 5-speed, or I should say a 4-speed with overdrive. Then we got a 64 Impala SS. Best part about this car, it's got a 409 big block in it. True SS, true big block car. $40,000 on this. 40 or best offer. Then we got an age unit here. I've had this for a while. This is a 71 Mercury Cyclone, 351 Cleveland under the hood, air conditioned car, mostly original paint, one owner car. All documented. Got all documentation on it, no rust. It's got a little bubble down the rear quarter. One little spot has a little bubble, but the rest of the car is phenomenal. We didn't want to fix it. We want to leave it all original. 27.5. We got this Plymouth Furies, another one owner, original paint car. It's got 318 under the hood. 12.5 buys this. It's an AC car, AC works and all. This thing drives phenomenal. Mustang here. Mach 1, 69 Mach 1, and another 69 Resto mod. This one's 55 grand, automatic, beautiful looking car. You can see the full walkthrough on that. And then this one's 70. This has got pretty much a 5.0 in it, all rebuilt. It's got a T5 transmission. Every panel on this car has been replaced. It's abyss gray is the color from a 2018 Mustang. Real nice car. Both of these are nice. Last but not least, I got two more over here and one outside. 65 kit car, Cobra 302, T5 transmission, LED lights. This thing drives amazing. Getting ready to do a full walkthrough. And that's why it's out here. 45,000 buys this. Real nice car. It drives perfect. It's what you expect. And then we got doing a little bit of body work to it. It didn't have any rust on it, but this was all chipping. So we had that taken care of from the shop next door. They have another car of ours, so we brought it back over here. They're also going to touch up the bottom, basically doing full paint correction on it. Wherever the bad spots are, they're going to paint it, sand it down, paint it, make this car nice. This is a matching numbers car. It's got a DZ302 in it. Real nice car. This one will be listed soon. I don't have a price on it yet. It'll probably be done in a couple weeks and then put up for sale. And then let's run over to the other shop. I got a special car over there for you. Last but not least, guys, 69 Mustang, another one, red one, except this one's an R code. So that's a Cobra jet. If you know your Mustangs, automatic transmission, driver quality car. This one's going to be 65 grand. That's coming up soon. All right, guys, until the next time, hit that subscribe button. Give us a like. We will see you later. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can watch me go out and chase classic cars, and then we put them up for sale. Talk to you guys later.